Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your account has admin or operator rights and two-factor authentication is active. Once done, log in and confirm the console firmware and browser meet minimum requirements. You should have the project ID, API key, and device MACs ready so you can register hardware without interruption. Make sure cookies and cache are cleared if you encounter superficial UI glitches. This saves time. Now click into the dashboard and open the device management pane to begin registering the first Play Zone device. You now register the device by entering serial and MAC, assigning it to the correct project and role. After registration, configure network settings, choose DHCP or static, set DNS, and open the required ports. This prevents connectivity failures during sessions. Next, apply the game profile, schedule active hours, and select the firmware update channel to control rollout. Make sure to validate time zones and NAT traversal settings so matchmaking and downloads work reliably. You finish by running a full health check. Watch logs, confirm services are running, and test a live session to verify throughput and latency. Once validated, deploy changes with a rollback window and staggered release to minimize user impact. Notify stakeholders before the push. If something goes wrong, restart the device, revert to the last known good configuration, and inspect firewall or port forwarding rules. These are the usual culprits. Keep a support log and escalate with diagnostic snapshots if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.